Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this DJI Mavic Air 2 with a FlyMoreCombo just arrived today. So as you can see, all is still packed very well, and we do unbox now. Now the FlyMoreCombo is only come one pack, all into the one box. So everything is in the bag. Let's take it out. So first we check inside this box. As you can see, they have a label here. The propellers, I think, is with a user manual. Okay. So quite a lot of propellers. We keep it aside first, and then now we see this bag. It's different than the previous version of the bag. So the front here got a zipper. So everything is packed inside here. So we take out everything. These are a box. Remote control. Inside here also got one zip. You can see other accessory as well, the cable. So it's nothing inside the zip. So we put inside aside first. First we check on this box inside. It's come with extra battery. Charger, adapter. So basically, FlyMoreCombo is total 3 battery. And then this is a battery charging hub. very slim type. This is a battery output. You can use this USB port to charge other device. Just click like that. So extra joystick. USB to USB-C cable. This is the FlyMoreCombo is come with this anti-filter. So this anti-filter is anti-filter 16, 64 and 256. Then this cable is for the RC to your device. USB-C and micro USB. So we see the remote control is now a bit different. It's similar like a DJI smart controller, and then here the joystick. But it's smaller than a DJI smart controller. So now run with USB-C connector. Feel very comfortable. And here is the antenna, and your phone is mounting here. Then inside is the USB cable to connect to your device. They keep inside, so very convenient. The pre-install is iOS cable. So the remote control is come with this 3 mode: tripod mode, normal mode and sport mode button, power button, takeoff and landing, function button. This one I think is switch between camera and video. Here is to capture video and photo. This is down for your gimbal. It's not that heavy. So far, hold very comfortable. So this is an aircraft. They got label up A and B for your propellers. Also come with this sponge to protect this process motor. Very lightweight. So they have a back sensor, front sensor, and downward sensor. Open up the gimbal and see. So this is a 3-axis gimbal. Half-inch sensor, 84 FOV. So this Mavic Air 2 actually a bit different than the previous version. If you attach the propellers wrong way, also can be fixed. So they have no secure for these propellers. So make sure you have to be careful during your installation. They have got marking here B, and the yellow is for A. So make sure when you install the propellers, you have to check the label. So this is a B. I will show you and see. So B is no gray label, but I can still install into it. See, last time the DJI Mavic series, they have a secure props installation. If you install a wrong version, you cannot fix into it. But now this Mavic Air 2, you can. As you can see, very dangerous. So for a new beginner, make sure you check properly before you take off. Also, that when you open the DJI Fly app, it will prompt you to double check your propellers whether you install correct or not. So this is the A marking silver label. So as you can see, this is the correct installation for the propellers. Don't mix up. If you're wrong installation, when you take out your aircraft, it will flip over. And also I saw a video, some user they complain about this smart battery. They cannot charge by using this battery charging hub. You can check with this DJI forums. They did mention that when DJI ship out this Mavic Air 2, all battery they already put into the sleep mode. So how you can wake up this battery? You have to use the standard charger to charge your battery. Don't try to use this battery charging hub if you have issue charging this battery. So once you full charge, then you connect to the aircraft and do the first time activation and run a firmware update. I will put the link description below regarding this issue, so you can go into it and look for it. So basically this is what FlyMoreCombo come with. Today is just do a quick unboxing. We will do a quick test later on and see how's performance for this aircraft, because currently COVID-19 Malaysia cannot fly a drone, so we have to wait until the lockdown service end, then only we can do a flight test. Thank you for watching and see you in the next upcoming video.